Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to convert text to audio file in CapCut app. So let's start. Here you can see I'm in my CapCut app and there is a project in my timeline here, and I will add some text to speech here. So for that I will add some text here. Okay, now you can see here the text. I have copied some text here and I will paste it here. I will convert this text into voice. Here you can see at the top part text to speech option here. I would hit it. Okay, now there are so many characters that you can choose to speak the text here. So let's try Jesse.
I saw a post yesterday asking about Audacity versus GarageBand because they are free and thought that maybe CapCut should be tossed in as well. I saw a post yesterday asking about Audacity versus GarageBand because they are free and thought that maybe CapCut should be tossed in as well. I've never used
I saw a post yesterday asking about Audacity versus GarageBand because they are. I've never used CapCut specifically for audio production workflow, so just wondering if anyone has an XP here. And
Suppose I'm going to use here Daniel character to speak the text here, to convert the text into the audio. So I will use the Daniel, and you can see here there is a button here, generate speech, at the right part, generate speech. So I will hit on it. Now CapCut is converting my text into audio file. Okay, now you can see audio file has been added to under my video here. So I will delete the text here because I don't need it right now. Okay, now my main video has a voice also, so I will mute the track here. So I will hit the video, and here you can see there is an option here, mute track, and I will hit it. Okay, now with that video, my generated audio will be played here. So let's
I
see.
saw a post yesterday asking about Audacity versus GarageBand because they are free and thought that maybe CapCut should be tossed in as well.
Perfect. Now you can make videos according to the voice. That's all the video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Thanks for watching.